Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan. So in this video I'm gonna make some fever grass tea. Fever grass is what you call lemongrass. In Jamaica it is called fever grass, and since I'm a cultural person I'm gonna stick with my culture and call it fever grass. Back in the days people use it to reduce this fever, hence the name fever grass. Now I cut some fever grass the day before and put it on my countertop and allow it to quail. I don't just cut the fever grass and use it the same day. No, I cut it and allow it to quail. Now, what I'm doing right now is I already wash it with some tap water. Yeah, man. So just gonna use about 4 pieces of fever grass and wrap, and then I'm gonna put it into the cup. And then I'm gonna pour some boiling water onto it. I'm gonna add just a little piece of ginger as well, which is really optional, but I do like the fever grass with the ginger. Yeah, fever grass tea is very, very nice, and when I drink fever grass tea with the ginger, it gives me this calming sensation. Yeah, man. And I mostly drink it in the night because after drinking it, it makes me sleep so peaceful. Yeah, man. It calms me a lot. Yeah, fever grass tea, very nice, man. Yeah, and the fever grass and the ginger, excellent. So I'm not making a lot of fever grass tea, so I'm pouring about, I would say, 1/4 cup of water, boiling water. Pour it all over the fever grass along with the ginger, and then I'm gonna cover it and steep it for about, say, 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I remove the fever grass and the ginger and then strain the tea, and then I enjoy a warm cup of fever grass tea with ginger unsweetened. Of course, you can sweeten it if you like with your favorite sweetener, but for me personally, I don't want any form of sweetener in my tea at all. I just sit down in the night and I just sip my tea until it is finished. Yeah, man. And it calms me. Yeah, man. It is excellent for people with a fiery spirit. Yeah, it keeps the fire at bay. Yeah, man. That's how good it is. Fever grass tea. Thanks for watching.